Narvar Delivery Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get delivery tracking wrong. They assume it's just about seeing a package move from point A to point B. The surprising truth about Narvar is that it transforms delivery updates into a full customer experience, and you won't believe how much it can improve satisfaction and reduce post-purchase anxiety. Here's how it works. Narvar integrates with e-commerce platforms to provide branded tracking pages, proactive notifications, and returns management. Instead of a generic carrier tracking number, customers see updates with your branding, estimated delivery times, and helpful tips. For example, a customer ordering a new pair of shoes will receive real-time notifications about delays or delivery updates, plus links to start a return immediately if needed. Most people get this wrong. They assume tracking is passive, but Narvar actively engages customers, making them feel informed and cared for. Additional features include post-purchase surveys, loyalty prompts, and analytics for retailers to identify patterns like late deliveries or high return rates. Users praise the ability to reduce "Where's my order?" support tickets while boosting repeat purchases. However, there are considerations. Integration can take time, and smaller merchants might find some features excessive. Most people assume it's just for shipping. It's actually a post-purchase engagement platform. In conclusion, Narvar is ideal for retailers who want to elevate their delivery experience, improve communication, and turn ordinary shipping into a strategic tool for loyalty and satisfaction. Subscribe for more honest reviews of e-commerce and logistics platforms.